After watching this video, you will no longer need your dream PC to code. Here's how. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome. After that, you search for Google Colab. Hit enter, and then if you click on the second link, that is this one, you will see more information about Google Colab, what it is, how it works and stuff. We don't need that for this video, we only need how to use it. So exit this and click on the first link. This will directly open Google Colab for us, and you can search for any notebooks that we have previously made. I haven't made any, so we'll click on new notebook. And here you can see the file option, and from here you can change the name of the file as well. Let's set it to tutorial. Okay, you need to connect it to the server first before coding. That is the main mechanism of this. It connects you to some other computer which is more powerful, and it uses that computer to code for you. It's pretty cool how this works, and I only have 2 GB RAM in my computer, but it gives me 12 GB RAM. You can see here it is written 12. Quite awesome. Sometimes I cannot run certain code on my computer because of lack of RAM, but here I can do that. You can import TensorFlow. By the way, I haven't installed TensorFlow, but it will still work because it connects you to the server, and there every single library is available. You can print anything. Let's say hello. If you run that, it will print hello. You can create new blocks for code, and you can write different code in it to run that individually. And that's how it works. Pretty simple. So guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.